chicken goes in.
The pan fires back. Now you're cooking from 3 feet away with a wooden spoon.
Here's the real cause. That oil isn't attacking you. It's water escaping. Every splatter you've ever dodged started as a droplet of moisture sitting right here. Frying oil sits near 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Water boils at 100. The moment they meet, water loses. Liquid water turns to steam and expands about 1,700 times. That expansion punches upward and throws oil with it. Surface water causes the violent first burst, but water inside the food keeps steaming for the whole cook. That's the steady spitting you can't drain away. So dry it properly. Paper towel, press, fresh section, repeat, until the surface looks matte, not shiny. Shiny means it's still loaded. Don't salt right before frying. Salt pulls water out of the food. You just undid the drying. Salt after, or salt early, then dry again. Your tools count too. A damp spider, a wet thermometer probe, one drip off a spoon, same explosion, different source. Dry those as well. Frozen food is water with extra drama. Thaw it fully, then dry it. Ice-hitting hot oil is the worst version of everything we just covered. One exception. Frozen fries and breaded products are built for this. Thawing those makes them wetter. Shake off loose ice, drop them in frozen. Old oil spits more. As it breaks down, it builds up compounds that lower surface tension. Same food, finer spray, longer range. Lower food away from you. Far edge in first, then lay it flat. Any splash travels away instead of into your forearm. A splatter screen lets steam out and catches oil. A solid lid traps steam. It condenses, then drips straight back into the oil. That makes it worse. And give the bubbles room. Fill the pan 1/3 deep. A shallow, full pan sprays over the rim, no matter how dry your food is. Dry food, dry tools. Salt after. Fresh oil away from you. Screen, not lid. 1/3 full. That's a quiet pan. Go cook.